We are now on episode 12 of restoring Mat Armstrong's E24. Now, if you've not seen the playlist, I'll leave a link down in the description below. In the previous video, we actually fabricated about a bajillion panels for this lower section down here. In this video, we're going to continue on this section, but first we're going to start taking all the underseal off of this wheel arch and see exactly what we need to do in there as well. Now all the underseal is off, it actually looks in good condition. There are a couple of areas like just up here and just back here and just over there and just down there. But apart from them, it's in good condition. Now, what I'm going to concentrate on now is this section here. Now, I fabricated this in the previous episode, link in the description, but I do need to do a couple of amendments to it. So I just need to cut through this spot weld and push this section up, and then I need to obviously get this section to tie in with this and get a bit of a bend on there as well. So apart from that, I need to weld everything up, and then that should be all of that complete. So like I say, I'm going to start by cutting this section out, pushing this up, and then we'll take it from there. Right, so now most of the welding is done, we can now concentrate on the other panels. So there's this panel to welding, which goes just here. There's this panel to welding, which this is part of the jacking point. That goes just up there like that. And then we've also got this end plate to put on here as well. So this is just an L shape, which I do need to make. And that's going to actually total 12 panels that I've actually welded into this. And that's not including this section here, which I do also need to get to. So like I said, I'm going to get these welded in, make that section, get that welded in, and start grinding all these welds down. Right, that actually cleaned up really nicely, so that's that top and that inside section done. I need to do a little bit of grinding and some tidying up on this inside section and this jacking point. I've also got a little bit of welding just on this end section, these spot welds down here, and then I've also got this to tackle as well. But that's all I've got time for in this video. Make sure you catch that in our next video where we're butting this up 100%, and then we'll get onto that front chassis rail and remove all of the dirt and the rust and see exactly what it's hiding. So make sure you leave a comment down below, click that like and subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.